Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to create a Weebly account. First, navigate to the Weebly website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually prominent on the home page, and click it. You'll then be prompted to enter your full name, a valid email address, and create a strong, unique password. Make sure to choose a password you can remember but is difficult for others to guess. After signing up, Weebly will guide you through some initial setup steps. You'll choose a theme, which is your website's visual design. Then, you'll select a domain name. This is your website's address on the internet. Finally, decide if your site will be a simple informational page or if you plan to sell products with an online store. Now comes the fun part, designing your website. Weebly's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to add various elements like text boxes, images, and videos to your pages. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Remember to organize your pages and navigation clearly so visitors can easily find what they need. Once you're happy with your website's design and content, it's time to make it live. Take a moment to review everything, ensuring all information is accurate and links work correctly. When ready, simply click the Publish button. Your website will then be accessible to the world. Don't forget to share your new site's link with friends, family, and potential customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.